How to share an iCloud calendar on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to share your iCloud calendar so others can view, add or edit events, I'll show you how to do it in few steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first open the calendar app on your device. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the calendars at the bottom of the screen. And if you haven't already, you can go to the settings and tap on your name at the top, and from there simply tap on iCloud and make sure that calendars is turned on. Now find the calendar that you want to share and tap on the info button next to it. Now tap on add person and choose who you want to share it with. Now select the contacts from your list and tap add, and remember everyone you invite must use iCloud for calendars. And if someone shares a calendar with you, you can simply tap on the inbox button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can check if someone has sent you the invitation link to join the calendar. And that's it. Now you can easily coordinate schedules with family, friends, and colleagues. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.